Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup Desai, working as lecturer. For more videos on Autocad and engineering drawing, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw. In this video, we learn to draw 3D modeling using the Autocad software. So when we open the AutoCAD software, we get the page like this. So before going to draw the 3D model, so we have to do the initial setup. That is, we have to set the units, limits and zoom the page. So let's now do that. First, let's set the units. For that, we can type units in the command bar and press enter. So we get the page like this. Here already it is set to millimeters, so we will just press OK. Next is we have to set the limits. For that, just type limits and then press enter. So now it is asking the lower left corner. So here we have to give 0 0 enter. Next, it is now asking the upper right corner. So in the upper right corner, we can give it as 200, 250, 300. It is depending upon the size of our drawing. So at the moment, I will give it as 200, tab 200, enter. So next is we have to zoom the page. For that, we have to press the shortcut Z. Here it appears as zoom, then press enter. Now in the zoom, there are number of different sections like all, center, dynamic, extend, etc. So in these options, we have to select all. So the shortcut for all is A, then press enter. Now we have zoomed the page. Next, we have to draw this 3D model. We have to select the 3D mode. So for that, here at the bottom, we have to go to the settings, or it is a workspace switching. Here we have to select 3D modeling. So now we can draw the 3D model. Now this is the question of the 3D model of machine component. In the given figure, the top portion is the front view, the bottom portion is the top view, and the side portion is the side view of the machine component. Okay, so now using these views, we have to draw the 3D model of the machine component using the AutoCAD software. Now what we'll do is we will draw the top view first. Okay, then we will extrude according to the front and the side views. So that will complete our 3D model in a easy way. Okay. So now first what we'll do is we'll draw the top view. We can see here the length of the top view is 110. Okay. So what is the width? Width is 60. So first we'll draw a rectangle of 110 and 60. Next, we will do this cutout. Okay. So the cutout will be of a distance of 40 into 25 and also it is at a distance of 35. And the last part here in the top view is we'll draw this upper part. Okay, so it will have the length of 110 and what will be the width? So width it is not given, we'll refer the side view. So the width here you can see it is 25. So it is 110 into 25. So first let's draw this one and then continue. So first go to the view. So in the view, so since we are drawing the top view, we'll select here the top view. Okay. So here first let's draw a rectangle of 100 mm into 60 mm. So go to home. Here select rectangle. So here in the rectangle, so we'll draw a rectangle of 110 tab 60. Enter. So now here you can see we have got this rectangle. So the next step is we have to draw this cutout. Okay, so as you can see the cutout is at a distance of 35 from the left and it has the dimensions of 40 mm into 25 mm. So let's draw this one. So select the rectangle. So here from the bottom, so just drag this So there it comes an option called extension. So in the extension, type 35 and press enter. So this will be the first point we'll get. So next, what are the dimensions of our cutout? So it is 40 tab 25 and press enter. So now we have got this particular cutout. Now last part in the top view is to draw this upper part. Okay, so how much is the dimensions? It has the dimensions of 110 into, we will get it in the side view, that is 25. 110 into 25. So let's draw this one. For that, go to the rectangle. So in this point, so let's draw this rectangle. Size is 110 tab. Since we are drawing at the bottom, we'll take it minus 25 and press enter. See, we have got this third one. So next part is we have to extrude these according to the front and the top views. So now let's do this one. Now let's go to the view. Next in the view, we'll select SE isometric. So here we have to extrude this. So we will extrude these according to the dimensions given in the side view. Okay. So for that, we'll go to home. We'll select here extrude option. First, let's select this outer rectangle, press enter. So how much should be the extrusion? So as you can see from the side view, the extrusion should be equal to 30. So we'll type 30 and press enter. So how much will be the cutout? Cutout will also be the same, that is 30 mm. So for that, select the extrude option, select this rectangle, press enter, and how much should be the extrusion? It is 30, and then press enter. Okay, so next part is we have to subtract this particular rectangle from the whole outer rectangle. So for that, we have to use this subtract option. So select the subtract option, select the first block, press enter, then select the second block and press enter. Now the cutout is ready. Next, last part is we have to extrude this upper rectangle. Okay, so for that, what we'll do is we'll again select the extrude option, we'll select the outer rectangle, press enter. So how much should be the extrusion? So we'll get it from the side view. It has the extrusion of 80 mm. So here we'll type 80, then press enter. Okay, so now you can see we have got this one. Next, we have to join this both rectangular blocks. For that, we'll select the union option. So here in the top, we'll select this union option, select the first block, select the second block, and we'll press enter. Okay, now almost we are completed the part. So the last part left in our 3D model is to draw these two holes. Okay, so as you can see, the holes are present in the front view. So now we will go to the front view and do the holes. We'll go to view. So in the views, we'll select the front view. Okay, so we have got this one. Next, we will do the holes here. So for that, what we have to do, we'll go to home. So here we have to first find out the points where we have to draw the circle. Okay, so for that, we'll select here line. So as you can see from the left side, it is at a distance of 30 mm. So from here, we'll take here extension, we'll type here 30, press enter. Okay, so next here we'll on this ortho mode. So we will just drag this like this. So next one is to draw one more line at a distance of 50 mm. Okay, so for that, we'll go select the line option. So from this point, we'll take the extension. So how much should be the extension? It is 50, press enter. Okay, so here you can see we have got the second point, we have dragged the line like this. So next one, last one is to draw a distance from the top, that is, it is at a distance of 25 mm from the top. So for that, we'll select here a line option. So from here, it is at a distance of 25, we'll take the extension of 25, press enter. Then from here we'll draw a line like this. So you can see we have drawn this line. Okay. So next one is we have to draw the circles at these 2 points. Okay. So for that what we'll do, we'll select here circle, center, diameter. Okay. So from here we'll take this one. See, we'll get the intersection. So here we'll click it. We have to draw a circle of 16. We'll type 16 and press enter. Okay. So next again we'll do the same thing. We'll go to this circle, center, diameter. So from here we'll go to this one extension. So we'll get this intersection. So click here. So we have to draw a line, type 16 and press enter. Now we have drawn the 2 circles. Okay. So the lines we have drawn, we don't want those lines. So we will delete those lines. So for that we'll select these lines. Okay. Then we'll press delete. Okay. So the lines will be deleted. So next one is we have to extrude this. So to clearly visualize the extrusion, so we'll go to view. Here we'll select SE isometric. Okay. So since we'll do the extrusion here, so go to the home, select here extrude option, select the first circle, select the second circle, press enter. Okay. So it is asking how much extrusion we want. So we will get it from the side view. It has the extrusion of 25, right? So we'll type here 25 and we'll press enter. Okay. So next is these 2 circles are nothing but they are the holes inside our machine component. Okay. So we have to subtract those. So for that we'll select here subtract option, select the first block, press enter. Next select these 2 circular blocks, press enter. Now the hole will be created. So to visualize this correctly, what we'll do is we'll go to the view here. In the we will select here 2D wireframe. Here we can select any of the object options which are present. So at the moment I will press this shades of gray. Okay. So now here you can see here clearly I will show this. So this is our machine component. Okay. So to take the printout of this machine component, so we have to go, we can easily press the shortcut Ctrl P. So we'll get the page like this. Here we can select the printer and we press OK. So here we can take the printout. This completes the 3D model of the machine component. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on 3D modeling, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw.